Hello, my dears, and welcome to our love day. Today it's all about feeling love, trust, and accept yourself how you are. We start in a seated position. Inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Feel your breath. Feel inside. Are you ready to invite more love into your movement? How is your breath flowing? How can you invite more joy, more bliss, more love? Bring one hand on your heart and feel inside. Can you feel your heartbeat? Can you feel the rhythm? With the inhale, the chest is slowly rising. Exhale. Release your hand. And then bring one hand on the back, directly in the high of your heart, and just rub along the spine on the left and right side, not directly on it, and just feel here, and do the same in front and the thoracic spine, and then just hold here. Feel the connection. It's the Anahata chakra, your heart chakra. Here's the root for your energy, for love, for expressing yourself, to listen to your emotions and your feelings. Just feel your hands. And then release them. Open your heart, and with the exhale, bring the hands in front to give yourself a big, big, big hug. Feel the trust. Hug yourself. Open your hands to the back, and then bring them again to a big hug. This time change the position of your arms. The one was up is now down. Feel and exhale, release. Bring the hands on your knees and open your heart. Let the movement be really fluid, and it's coming from your chest. Feel inside. Whatever movement you need to do right now, just stay seated and open your spine, open your lungs, the left side, the right, whatever intuition is coming. It's a free movement. What is your body telling you? Listen to your body. Your body is so smart. It knows exactly where to move. With closed eyes, it's more easy. Doesn't matter what I am doing. It's all about yourself. Feel inside. Feel your breath. Feel your body. Feel your heart. Let it flow. And from the free movement, with the hands on the knees, we come into a seated cat-cow. Inhale, chest forward, open. Exhale, round back. Look to your belly. Inhale, open. Exhale, closing back. Inhale, opening. Exhale, closing backward. The movement is coming out of your chest. And then release.